Hello. So we'll be seeing how a read and write happens in Isilon. So here we can see the simple Isilon architecture. So where we have servers on the left side and we have the network switch in between Isilon cluster and the servers, and then you have the InfiniBand switches on the backend. So here there is a file that is coming for write in Isilon from a Windows server. So this file will come through the network switch and will reach any one of the Isilon node. So once this file has reached any one of the node, that particular node will take initiative and will break the file into small chunks. That is nothing but a block with each of 8 KB in size and will send across all the nodes. So in this case, a single file is being spanned across all the nodes through the InfiniBand switch. So this InfiniBand switch is used to connect one node to other node, and when the same file is being asked by the user and the same thing will happen again, all the small blocks will be combined into one single file, and that particular file will be sent across the network switch to the user or server who is requesting for. So this is how the read and write operation in Isilon will happen. So basically a file which is received will be break into small pieces of blocks with 8 KB in size. Later it will be combined into a stripe unit and will be sent across all the nodes in a pool. And this will happen when there is a read. Again, all the nodes will be running on, and the node which has got the request will collate all the small pieces, the blocks of that particular file, and will combine into a single file and will send to the user as requested. So that's it for this lecture. We'll see you in the next lecture.